Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. I did have like alright, so the band on vlog. We are going on the road because Xavier said want carrot juice. Carrot. So I think that's everything we need for going there. May I buy powder? Garlic powder. What's your way? Them mother, which is our stepmother. I don't know, so one guy come to marry. Xavier fry plan. For so long to settle down at night time. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. I did a vlog yesterday when I was cooking, but I didn't show the end result. I don't know what's up with that. I just posted, and it is Sunday 11 a.m. So why am I not come on? Normally at already what I'm to eat. Well, it I get warm now. Alright, as you know, this is I think I get one next one of the wig here. I think I get one next one. This is from West Kiss here. I think I get one next one. I love the wig. Right now them need to sponsor me. I wear this wig down. I have this from last year September. I looked on it. I'm putting there. I don't think I've ever put anything in there because yeah, it's hot now. I got this off. I bought this on Shein. And I bought the wig on the TikTok shop from West Kiss here. I love this wig, you know. Love it. I'm a favorite wig. Favorite. I did have one bob from IC. That was my favorite wig too. But I wear it so much it mash up. And then I try buy one next one from IC here. But it did alright. But I never love it like the first one. I think me that compare it to the first one too much. Alright, but anyway, I'm downstairs. I got just flat down here, so that's what I'm gonna do to this week. One time I put it up at night time, right? So I always get back puffy. So that is all I do to it. Just flat it down and just rub one little something in there, and that's it for it. I'm gonna put a lot of product in there. I think that's why it lasts me so long. I'm gonna put a lot of product in there. I just put little bits, and then I spray this on the front. And I don't spray a lot either. Sometimes I spray it on the tail comb and just like push it down. And that's all it needs. That is all it needs. I love this wig. It is so easy to manage. As someone that don't know much about, you know, wigs and stuff like that. So easy to manage. I love it. Right here now, to my wear that we get West Kiss need for, and people always ask me now where you get this wig. I mean, as I tell them, so if I buy it from West Kiss here. Alright. Xavier watch the vlog though, I just post. See there? I just flat it down and that's it. What I need for do is need for putting back the curl them in there. And you see when I get the wig here, it come pre-curl and the curl them was so nice, but me I tell you, say, I comb them out. And it still look nice. I'm not really big pan the curl now, but I have a curling one on my buy by Amazon. I'll know I not use it. I'm gonna try it on this. I think I'm gonna try it on there and see how it curl them that turn out. I'll try it tomorrow and show you how it look. And put it in another vlog. Because I'm not post this until Wednesday. I'm not posting this until Wednesday. So I think I can curl it and show you how it look. See there? This is it. I love how easy it is to just manage. And it come with a drawstring at the back. You just draw it tighter. Right now it's not tight on my head. You know me I talk about the wig like the people them did send me it and me I promote it. No about this. About it. If them one them can send me one. You just need for curl now. I'm gonna curl it tomorrow and show you how it turn out. Cause I'm not good pan them so many, but I'm gonna show you how it is. And it have two comb right here, so you just clip it down how you want it. And it have one of the drawstring thing them, you know, not the drawstring, the band. It have a band where you can adjust plus the drawstring, so it is pretty sealed on your head. All right, so yeah, look here, it just needs for curl up and it's fine. It kind of dry now because I'm not out from with you. I'm not put nothing in there now, but it still looks shiny though. All right, this is it. So I'm gonna film video with Xavier for Instagram. I'm gonna put the Instagram in the description. Go over there and check out the video. He mostly post on there, you know. He mostly post on there. He love posting on there. That's so nice because when I would just start the YouTube, him used to be a bit more reserved. Now, him always want to post my Instagram and not posting as much on YouTube. No, that's so nice. In my step out time comfort zone. The only thing I am struggling with is filming in public. I don't have a problem filming, but sometimes you don't want to be cringy and people are stare at you anyway. But that's the only problem I have. But him. Alright, so stay tuned for the video, guys. I think I bring up my tail comb upstairs. So I'm just gonna use my edge brush thing. I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna put it on the back and just press it down. Let me just spray a little bit. Alright, see that now? Let me just glue it down with this and then I tie on the band. Alright, so the band on for my head now. Hey guys, welcome back to the what can I begin at you put on my video? Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are going on the road because Xavier said want carrot juice. We have carrot but we don't have no Suppergen and them thing they for put in there. So me I go run go Walmart, eat Suppergen and Malta because we're not drinking, you know. We're committed to the weight loss. So we're not drinking. Cause
go ahead.
I did ask him say if he want to put dragon in there, you know. He said no. Me I try mash up his weight loss plan, so we're gonna put Malta.
We're not putting condensed milk in there.
We're not putting condensed milk in there. Me turn on my mic.
Too much sweet.
So what we're gonna put in there just the Suppergen and the nutmeg and you know the little stuff that will spice it up. And no condensed milk. I think I put a little bit in there.
Only for sugar and that.
Committed to the weight loss. But and I am proud of you.
Discipline.
I am proud of you because normally on the weekend him down a bottle already, you know.
Yeah, but I don't know.
And this weekend, I'm really proud of him for Trina because this weekend him don't take no drink at all. No, not even like a wine.
I reach the age where I take one iron protein and not even know which part to start.
What the hell? So, I'm right. So, we're not gonna put no dragon or nothing in there. I think I'm gonna put a Malta or two in there and that's it. So, we almost reach Walmart anyway. So, stay tuned for the video. Oh, Mutt and Jeff. And them this, you know. Then two, yeah. Mutt and Jeff. Never that. Alright. You know, take up on somebody. Naturally. Then done. In here full then. Alright, this is the Caribbean aisle. Eh? I just know supper Jen. Nutriment. Probably have to go get the nutriment. I get 2 other nutriment them. $2.14. And Xavier say no want no condensed milk in there. Alright. So they do have supper giant. So they made down here so. May I get to I put back the nutriment. Which part I find the nutriment them? Right here so. I may get 3 supper gen instead. A $2 for a supper gen, you know? $2.48 for a supper gen. I find the supper gen them. Yeah. I'm going to find are them Malta they alone them all. So I think that's everything we need for going there. May I buy 3 Shirley's biscuit? Yeah, take a pump bag in just in case. Oh, then did I have Vitamalt, but I know. Coffee creamer. Alright, may I get coffee creamer and 1 more bag of carrots in case we don't have enough. So guys, my bag Walmart full. I know I'm gonna like film and be disruptive with people. So see you guys in a bit. Guys, Xavier, can turn down that for me please? I am home. Mega sure no, we're gonna just forget Malta. What again we're gonna forget? Malta, Supple Jane. Something else. I will go there and come back with all of them. I come up to $44 something. I'm gonna buy so, but mega sure no I'm gonna buy. Wait there. I think I'm gonna bring up the camera a bit more, and then carry down the gimbal. All right. Mr. Medellin say how much a tripod can do this. Xavier say. The tripod can do it. I mean, I know how to do it. Turns out I didn't know how to do it for the tripod. My shame. Shame I kill me. Alright. Like Xavier can put Zaya to sleep. Why in here so dark? Alright, no. In here kinda look better. Alright, so I'm gonna get 2 Malta. I don't know if I can see what go on. Alright. I'll eat this. Let me carry it up a little more. Alright, see ya. Alright, so we're here now. So, I get 2 Malta. I did need a browning because my browning finish. So that's that. I get 3 Supple Gen. Yesterday one time I seasoned up the salmon, them here finish, onion powder, garlic powder. Watch your way. Watch your way. And paprika. I buy 3 Shirley's biscuit and Xavier eat 1 already. And this is some blackberry and raspberry for Zaya. I end up get 1 more bag of carrots, even though I have carrots in the fridge. And 4 plantain. Look on them. Got a little bit of whatever. I get 1 coffee creamer. And I'm gonna try this cold foam. I usually use one from Aldi. So I'm gonna try this cold foam. This one is Dunkin' Cold Foam Creamer. I'm gonna buy a piece of chocolate cake, which I'm not supposed to be eating because I am, but I don't know, I feel like I need it. Alright, so this is everything I'm gonna buy and come up to $44. Let me look on the receipt. $44.24. My shirt, this is from Fashion Nova, and my biker tights from Shein. I'm a babe, but I don't have my house slippers. It's upstairs in my closet. But anyway, yeah, Miss Rachel, she loud in the background. If I look about breakfast this morning, the whole kitchen's a mess. So I have to tidy that up before I can start make the carrot juice. So I'm not going to show you time I tidy up, I'm going to come back and show you when I start the carrot juice. So stay tuned for the vlog. I'm just finished tidy up, so I eat the Shirley's biscuit and piece of cheese. Then I go peel the carrot and whatever. But my back kill me, and from there I work out my knee. My knee start hurt me. Guys, so this are the carrot them. We get them carrot here from Belglade. I'm gonna buy one more bag. So I go strip them off, put them in this. So I watch an African show, I say the show start off so sad. Miwa and what his name? Victor Michael. Or get Chuku him in there. The girl had a stepdaughter and the woman have two daughters. I mean I tell you say the girl I work so hard for take care of them mother, which is her stepmother. And you know so one guy come for marry her and the girl keep on a put off the guy because he must say the woman sick and you know want left the married and go left her. With her two pity them, you know. And the woman make the daughter convince her. Say make the man married to she instead, had the stepdaughter. But you think the girl that go stay, the girl just pack up and left. Or something like when time the writer them for the show just make them pack up. The girl just pack up and left, even though she don't have nowhere to go, and left them there. I want to see if the girl a go, the daughter go take care of the mother like oh the stepdaughter did that take care of her. So I couldn't believe that the woman do that. That wicked act. Alright, I peel them here and then come back and go and watch the show. I say a while ago I chat out right with and something on record. Alright, so this is everything I'm peel. I think just a little bit out of this because I did have enough. I go wash them and cut them up and get them ready for blend up. So, alright. Everything cut up. Xavier fried plantain, you can see him behind me. This is the last batch. I've been blending and straining. So this is the last batch of the, I think this needs some water. After blending. What may I look for? May I look for cinnamon powder? Well, this may have this mix, Jamaican mixed spice. It have nutmeg, cinnamon, coriander, anise, and other spices. And where's my vanilla? I might have Benjamin's vanilla. So I think that's the spices. I'm gonna put some salt. I did have some rose water, but it finished. So I think me just gonna add them there alone. Where's my cinnamon itself? And this is Ceylon cinnamon. I have the trees up a jet I'm gonna buy 3. And instead of dragon, 2 Malta. So them here everything we are going there. I'm gonna take a picture for my thumbnail. No, one time some of them I take a picture for the thumbnail. Alright, wash off the tin them. Yeah, that them are gonna start there now. Cause they gonna go in with the Jeffrey or something. The pew pew. Alright, so I'm gonna put 2 suppagen in there. Them are sweet, you know. Cinnamon. The mixed spice. Vanilla. Some salt. You get a spoon. I'm gonna put this much. Alright, then I'm gonna open them all to them. A whole heap of juices, you know. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Good morning. It is Tuesday 9/12. I didn't film anything yesterday. Let me fix the camera good. I didn't film anything yesterday, Monday, and today is my last day of filming because I'm posting this video tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna make some tea. This is spearmint and this is chamomile. I'm making this, put it in the fridge for give Zaya later. It is taking her so long to settle down at night time. I don't know, she have fight to sleep because sometimes she close her eyes and like give off a light snore and then she just get up back and start sing and clap. So she is definitely fighting the sleep. Why my face a scratch me? Definitely fighting the sleep. So what I gonna do is I gonna make some chamomile, put it in our fridge and mix it with our juice, and that's going to be a part of her nighttime routine now. So I'm going to make her tea. It's 1 tea bag to 8 ounces of water. So I'm going to make 1. All right, now I'm gonna show you how I make the rice. Me do it as an iced coffee, like a latte type thing. And as you know, this come in there for measure the one that you need. All right. So this is it. I'm gonna take up all of my equipment them so I can show you what I'm going for right here. So left on my phone, put back these in here. Okay, let me fix my camera. Okay, I think my carrot down too much. Is that enough? So I added the 1 tablespoon of rice. Then now I'm gonna add some hot water. That much. Then I'm gonna mix it. Crap. Mix. All right, so I'm gonna add some creamer. Then I'm gonna add some cold foam. Whoa. And this is how I make the rice. I drink this after I drink my tea. I don't drink this before it. Perfect. Alright, so now that I make this, put down the rice, the coffee, and then I drink my tea first, which is already steeping. So is Zaya's chamomile is steeping as well. So I'm going to fry Zaya egg, and well, I'm gonna fry egg for me and Zaya, and give her that with some fruit and piece of toast. And then I'm gonna bring her upstairs to wash her hair. With my hair for wash today, right? I forgot to say, I'm gonna show you how I do, well, I never do it before. First, I'm gonna do it. I buy the one them on Amazon, and then I'm gonna show you guys how, well, not how. I try a thing. So I'm gonna show you me trying to curl this hair up back. Hope it turned out good, but stay tuned for that. When I come back, I'm gonna get upstairs. Don't watch up on the stove. I have pot and stuff. I cook rice yesterday and some chicken breast. I just put them on the stove and put some sauce. Cause as you know, Saturday night I put them in the oven, and then after that, I gonna put them on the stove top for add the sauce. So that I do put them in the oven, put them in the fridge, and then take them out as needed throughout the week. So that need for pack up now and put it in the fridge because I left it on the stove last night. Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. I just finished our ear and I wash it and just finished combing it. Can I tell you, it was a hard task. Very, very hard task. So I think now may I just close out the vlog. I'm not get for sure now for if me or maybe use the one thing I'm gonna buy for Amazon, but I don't know, we'll see. I get some food, I'm hungry, and if I feel up to it, I will come back and show though. If not, make sure in the next video.